Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Alright guys, today I have some absolutely huge news, okay? On August 2nd, we are going to have an open house promotion here at our location in Burlington. That's at 2450 North Church Street, Burlington, North Carolina, 27217. We're going to have a food truck, we're going to have giveaways, games, all that. So bring your friends, family, come check out our new display home, the Heartland 2XL Laundry Plus. And on top of that, we have a lot of new options that I wanted to talk to you about today. And before I go any further, I do want to talk about Nationwide has unveiled a new software that we can actually go into your kitchen and bathrooms and exterior and apply your material as far as the countertops. You can change the flooring, you can change the cabinetry, the appliance colors, the tile colors in your showers. So you can actually really get a feel for how your specific customizations and colors are going to look as far as the exterior and interior, okay? So in a minute, I'm actually going to hop into a screen recording where I'm going to show you kind of what me or my team and myself will be walking you through as far as that software and how it will help you design your dream home, okay? And then on top of that, like I said, with the options, we have a ton of new things. We've got new quartz options. We've got new waterfall countertop options where you can extend that countertop and run it down the sides of your islands, which is really nice. And then we also have the option to apply the matching granite or quartz as a backsplash now. So those are a few new things that we are offering specific to the kitchen area. So just keep that in mind. And remember, August 2nd, guys, August 2nd, that is going to be an open house promotion here in Burlington. We're going to be showing off our new display home, that Heartland 2 that I showed you last week. So I want everybody to show up that day. We're going to be giving out promotional items, discounts, all that kind of stuff, guys. And there's going to be a food truck here. And like I said, we've got the new software showing you, the colors and the specifics of what you select that I'm about to show you. And other than that, guys, sit back and enjoy the software that I'm about to show. And if you need anything, email me directly at my email, Shields, SHIELDS, at nccustomodulars.com. That's Shields at nccustomodulars with an S.com. Thank you, guys. Take care. Into this thing today, I'm going to focus on the kitchen and bathrooms. So I'm going to first click on the kitchen. When you get here up top, you have your main subjects there as far as your flooring, cabinetry, backsplash options, hardware, lighting. So I'm just going to show you a few different things here. So let's first change the flooring color. I'm going to do the foam. Perimeter cabinets, let's go with white. Countertops, let's go with something dark just to change it up. Let's change the appliances to black just for visual purposes. So as you can see, guys, this is going to be a really good way for you just to get a real life, a real good visual example of what your customizations will actually look like, in real life. So let's go back to that master bathroom. Let's click on that. Same thing up top, you've got your main subject, hardware, faucet, lighting, backsplash, shower. So let's click on the shower. Let's do some darker tile just so you can see the difference there. Let's do, so you got different hardware. Let's do the gold hardware. So, and again, guys, as you can see, this is just a really good way for, to kind of take this whole customization aspect to the next level. So I hope you guys enjoy this. You will be going through this with me throughout the design process as we are picking out colors and finishes. So as always, guys, just get with me with my email, SHIELDS at nccustomodulars.com. Thank you, guys. Take care.